Good morning, students. As you know that I discuss the transport in plants and in animals. So now today we discuss about the blood. It is a red color fluid, constantly flow throughout the our body, make about the 1/11th of the body weight. A normal adult person contain about the 4 to 5 liter of blood. Means in our body there is a red color liquid is present, that is called blood, which is continuously flowing with the help of heart and into the our blood vessels, that is arteries and veins. So a normally healthy man is about the contain 4 to 5 liter blood in their body if they are healthy, and if they are not healthy then the blood amount is lower. So if the digested food from a small intestine to the cell, body cell, and oxygen from lungs to the body cells is going, and carbon dioxide from cells to lung, and the liquid waste from the excretory system, they are just thrown out. Means the essential things are come inside our body and the unessential things just go outside the body. Blood is also a substance that acts as a act on a plasma and seal damaged blood vessels to prevent the excessive blood losses during the injuries. Means blood has the property for the coagulation. Blood has property of coagulation, means they have they form the clot when during the any cut take place in our body. So as far as concerned about the antibodies in the blood help against the infection, against the infections in our body. Blood is made up of 4 components. That's the first component is known as plasma. It is liquid contained, and that carry dissolved food, water, waste materials, enzymes and other things also. It is yellowish in color and containing about 90 to 95% of water. And the 3 types of blood vessels are commonly known as RBC. RBC means red blood cells, and WBC, they are white blood cells, and plasma and platelets. The red blood cells are disc-shaped without nucleus. These are responsible for transporting the oxygen, because they have the red pigment that known as hemoglobin, which bind the oxygen and carbon dioxide to transport to various part of body. So now the WBC is have nucleated larger than less lifespan. Its lifespan normally 10 days, 7 to 10 days, but the RBC lifespan is 120 days. The platelets are the clotting factors. They are the prevent the excessive loss in our body. So there is a blood vessels through which the blood is flowing in our body. There are 3 types of blood vessels, that is arteries. Arteries are the carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to the various remote part of the body, and the veins, that is carry the deoxygenated blood, means CO2 mixed blood from various organ to the heart. To heart, this veins have thin wall, arteries have thick wall. The pressure is high in the arteries, and when the pressure is low, capillaries, when the arteries break into a very fine network like structure, that is known as capillary. It supplies the oxygen, carbon dioxide collected to the cells. Capillaries join to form the veins. The hearts are the pumping organs in our body, located in chest cavity, almost middle of the slight tight towards the left size of the first fist, and beats in our order to pump the roughly 60 to 80 time per minute. A minute, means this is a heart is a pumping organ which are present in left side of chest cavity, and it is the size is just like a fist, and beats in order regularly without taking any rest in whole life. these hearts are continuously beats, and in 1 minute it is 60 to roughly 60 to 80 times they are the beats. The hearts are divided into the four chambers. The first two chamber, that's upper two chambers, are known as auricles or atria. There is the two lower chambers are called ventricles. There is a wall between the right auricle and right ventricle, and left auricle into left ventricle. To prevent the backflow or mixing of the blood, this means deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood is not mixed in the heart because they have the valves which prevent a thick wall that is called septum, which divide the left and right side of the heart, which also preventing the mixing of the blood. As students, you are know this heart, there is some heart hole. the किसी के हार्ट में होल है, मीन्स देयर इज ए नॉट इन होल इन द हार्ट, दिस इज अ होल इन सेप्टम विच मिक्सिंग ऑफ द ब्लड इज टेक प्लेस. Now the heartbeat, students, the wall of the chambers heart are made up of a special type of tissue that known as cardiac muscles. These cardiac muscles, without taking any rest, and they are work regularly, and these cardiac muscles are the involuntary muscles, and they do not under the control of our will, so they beats regularly and whole life. So that's why our hearts is not taking any rest during the when we sleep or when we run. These muscles, the rhythmic movement of the muscles is felt as a heartbeat. It can be measured manually by the feeling pulse at the side of the neck or wrist, and it can also feel with the help of instrument that known as stethoscope. So means for the measuring of the if you want to see the heartbeats, then will be feel physiology with the help of eye, and with the measuring of the pulse rate, and also the with the help of instrument that known as stethoscope. You see the doctors are uses the such type of which are hanging in their necks. These instruments are known as stethoscopes, and this stethoscopes is the measure the heart rates. Now the students, this is the figure, and this is heart figure you draw in the copy and show me for the correction. Now that's next topic, that is excretion, that is take the tomorrow.